Hello, everyone. So we are Goodt. We are doing the digital assistant. We work for shift employees and their managers. I think for last 5 years we are in the market. We have a number of clients. Some are global names. I'll tell you a bit later. These tools helps to manage workforce, the shift managers, the shift workers, and to boost their productivity and motivation. We use machine learning. We use historical operational data like sales data, like POS data, to optimize labor costs and to gain more revenue. Our biggest client is Russian Post. They have about 350,000 of employees. We also work with smaller companies like like 200 or so employees. So we work in completely different environments. We are GDPR ready. We work on cloud, so it's possible to use the software from the cloud as well. What we're offering something different to other workforce management tools are. This is a linked 4 tools that we offer. Linked tools and scenario. One is helping to automate and optimize shift schedule and to better plan resources. How much employees do I need? How many employees do I need to be in place in particular time? It also includes demand forecasting. We do sales forecast. We do forecast of traffic, clients, and other operations. We have a tool for controlling time and attendance, discipline. We have a mobile app which makes possible the scenarios like like Uber for mass retail. It's a shift exchange where some employees can swap shifts between each other. We use the same data for gamification to motivate people to perform better. And we have a number of scenarios like bonus cafe, which is a non-monetary motivation. It also has embedded analytics. So we have a number of tools to control the numbers and to achieve the better results. Here are real business cases. We do about 7 to 20% of labor cost reduction. We also can save time for productivity. We can increase productivity by 10%. Some of our clients, especially fashion retail, they increase revenue by 3 to 5%.
Konstantin, excuse me, could everyone please?
Yes, something is.
Could everyone please shut the mic? Thank you, Konstantin. Please continue.
Yeah. So our clients, as I mentioned, they include some global names. For example, we work with our biggest reseller of Apple, of Nike, of Samsonite, Samsung here in Russia. We also have companies in oil and gas like Shell. We have biggest food retailers, Magnit and Peterочка X5, which has I think about 200,000 of employees. So we work in those industries like you can see in the slide. On the next slide, I will show you how it looks. This is workforce management. This is our flagman product. The goal is to better control and to better make the schedule, to comply with the legislation, to reduce over understaffing, to make possible shift swapping, and this is completely integrated with operational data. We have lots of scenarios, SAP integration and POS data integration. How it works. So before our tools in place, you're losing money because there are no employees in place in the shop. After the tools are implemented, we reduce the over coverage and under coverage, which means better productivity and better utilization of your personnel. We also offering the special kiosk, which has a face recognition module. To ensure that your employees are in place, that they're not late, and they're not leaving early from the work. This is a 10-inch tablet with face recognition in place. It has liveness check, so you cannot show picture or movie just to a real person. It's also open architecture, so it's open for custom apps. You can do special scenarios. So it's like a kiosk. You can do surveys, you can show ratings, earnings, whatever you want for your employees. We have predefined scenarios. We also have a gamification scenario, which works on the same performance data like POS data to provide gamified scenarios for your employees to better motivate and to boost their performance. It has a flexible admin page, so no IT person need to set up the rules. So this is fully configurable by the clients, and this is really fun and motivating. And the last tool that we are offering is Insight, which is flexible decision support system for managers. It's more than just a classical BI. It has handy design, and it's dedicated for mass usage, like shop directors or shop managers. This is actually a data-driven low-code development platform, which we use for our products. It's lightning fast in memory engine, and you can see it's pretty handy and useful for usual, easy to use line managers. So we are open for your questions. We have office in Moscow and in London, so we are ready to answer your questions.
Thank you for your presentation. You said you have office in London. Do you plan maybe to open representative offices in another country, in Germany in particular?
Yeah, we do plans to go to Europe this year, because last year was pandemic, and this year I think it would be better to start operations here in Europe. So we are preparing our products to move to the Europe cloud.
Thank you for your presentation. Thank you for the answer. We don't have any more questions in the chat, so I will ask you to close the demonstration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.